Are you looking for ways to earn money from the comfort of your own home? Online freelancing might just be the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we'll show you some tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings as an online freelancer. The first step in maximizing your earnings as an online freelancer is choosing the right platform. Look for platforms that are popular and have a wide range of available jobs. You should also consider the commission rates and fees for each platform. Once you've chosen the right platform, it's time to create your profile. Make sure your profile is complete and showcases your skills and experience. Use keywords related to your niche to make your profile stand out from the competition. In addition to your profile, it's important to have a strong portfolio. This will showcase your best work and help potential clients understand what you can offer. Make sure that your portfolio is diverse and relevant to the jobs you are applying for. Setting appropriate rates is crucial in maximizing your earnings as an online freelancer. Research what other freelancers in your field are charging and set your rates accordingly. Keep in mind that clients are often willing to pay more for quality work. Networking and self-promotion are essential in online freelancing. Join relevant groups and online communities to meet other freelancers and potential clients. Make sure to promote your work on social media and other relevant platforms as well. By following these tips and putting in the effort, you can maximize your earnings as an online freelancer. Remember to choose the right platform, create a killer profile and portfolio, set reasonable rates, and make sure to network and self-promote.